Getting a refund from Ticketmaster can sometimes be a hassle because their rules depend on the type of event. Whether your concert was canceled, your seats were wrong, or you simply can't attend, this guide will help you understand how to return tickets and get your money back. Feel free to contact the Ticketmaster Help Center if you need additional assistance. Can you get a refund from Ticketmaster? Ticketmaster's refund policy depends on a few things: what happened to the event, canceled, postponed, or rescheduled; what type of tickets you have, non-refundable, resale, or insurance covered; why you want a refund, wrong seats, duplicate purchases, or other issues. Here's a breakdown of different situations and how to increase your chances of a successful refund. Check if you're eligible for a refund. If the event is completely canceled, you are generally entitled to an automatic refund. Your money will typically be returned to your original payment method within a few business days. For postponed or rescheduled events, you may need to wait for the new date before requesting a refund. If you can't attend the new date, check the event page. Ticketmaster may offer refunds in such cases. If you simply changed your mind, most tickets cannot be refunded unless you purchased Ticketmaster Refund Protection. Exceptions include wrong seats, duplicate purchases, or charges due to fraud. How to return tickets and request a refund. Request online for canceled events. Log into your Ticketmaster account, go to My Tickets, and select the event. If a refund is available, click Request a Refund and choose how you want your money returned, either to your original payment method or as a credit voucher. Contact customer support for other issues. If your event wasn't canceled but you still need a refund, try live chat on Ticketmaster's website for the fastest response. You can also reach out via email or Twitter for documentation purposes. When contacting support, be polite but clear. Provide your order number and reason for the refund, and mention if you purchased refund protection if applicable. Credit card dispute as a last resort. If Ticketmaster does not approve a refund and you believe you're eligible, you can contact your bank or credit card company to file a chargeback. Provide proof, such as emails or screenshots, to support your claim. Refund protection or ticket insurance. Ticketmaster offers refundable tickets or ticket insurance for certain events. Covered reasons typically include illness with a doctor's note, flight cancellations, car accidents, or jury duty. Change of mind or general schedule conflicts are not covered. To claim insurance, contact Allianz Global Assistance, Ticketmaster's insurance partner, and submit any required documentation. Wait for approval, which may take some time. Consider selling tickets if refunds aren't available. If you cannot get a refund, you can try selling your tickets. Use Ticketmaster's fan-to-fan exchange if available, or alternative platforms like StubHub, SeatGeek, or Vivid Seats for resale.